Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. So my today's topic is chemical properties of metals, class 10th chemistry. The important chemical properties of metals. First one, that is a reaction of metals with oxygen. So when metals are burnt in air, they react with the oxygen of air to form metal oxides. जब ये metals burn होते हैं in air में, वो ऑक्सीजन के साथ जो ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट होता है एयर में उनके साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो बनाता है मेटल ऑक्साइड. सो मेटल प्लस ऑक्सीजन गिव्स मेटल ऑक्साइड. सो metal is react with oxygen to form metal oxides. Metal oxides, they are basic in nature. Let us take some examples. First one is a sodium metal. It reacts with oxygen of air at room temperature to form a basic oxide called sodium oxide. A potassium metal also reacts with the oxygen of air at room temperature to form a basic oxide called potassium oxide. Most of the metal oxides, they are insoluble in water. जो भी metal oxides बनते हैं वो water में insoluble है, मगर जो metal oxides dissolve होते हैं water में वो बनाते हैं alkalis. Some of the metal oxides they dissolve in water to form alkalis. For example, sodium oxide, it reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is an alkali. Similarly, potassium oxide, it reacts with water to form potassium hydroxide, that is an alkali. The second example, that is magnesium metal. So magnesium metal does not react with oxygen at room temperature, but on heating magnesium metal burns in air, giving intense heat and light to form a basic oxide called magnesium oxide. So magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, it dissolves in water partially to form a magnesium hydroxide solution. So another reaction is aluminum metal. It burns in air on heating to form aluminum oxide. Those metal oxides which show basic as well as acidic behavior are known as amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxides वो oxides होते हैं जो show करते हैं basic as well as acidic behavior. Aluminum metal and zinc metal, they form amphoteric oxides. Thus aluminum oxide and zinc oxide are amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric oxides react with both acids as well as bases to form salts and water. Now another, the second property is that reaction of metals with water. So metals react with water to form a metal hydroxide or metal oxide and hydrogen gas. So let us take some examples. Potassium reacts violently with cold water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So potassium is a metal. It reacts with water and forms metal hydroxide and hydrogen. So potassium reacts with water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen, and it also gives heat. It is exothermic, that is it produces heat, due to which the hydrogen gas formed during the reaction catches fire immediately. Then sodium, it reacts with cold water vigorously, forming sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Calcium, it reacts with cold water to form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Magnesium metal, reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. So magnesium, it reacts with hot water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. Aluminium, it reacts with steam to form aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. Then zinc, it reacts with steam to form zinc oxide and hydrogen. So these are the chemical properties of metals. So in this lecture we study reaction of metals with oxygen and water. So in next lecture we will take another reactions, how metals react with other with acids or with salt solutions. We will take this in next lecture.